It's not financial advice, not legal advice, for entertainment and educational purposes only, and anything I say is my opinion. Please don't make any financial decision based on anything I say in these videos. That being said, hit the like button, subscribe button, all that YouTube algorithm stuff so you get the videos I put them out. See, I'm thinking, analyzing that data, but like I tell every day, the data they release us is false. I'm going to give us a false narrative to the market so we can make bad trading decisions. Listen. Everyone knows by now that Biden wants to put 100% tax on Chinese EV vehicles. And it seems like the European Union is going to have to increase their taxes on the EV vehicles also, because the Chinese EV vehicles are flooding the market. They are taking over. BYD, NIO. I mean, they're really taking over. They're really taking over. They're creating so many EV vehicles, and they're creating quality vehicles at prices that are a lot less than the American manufacturers. I mean, that's really the bottom line. But Elon Musk does not want the United States to issue those types of tariffs on the Chinese EV vehicles, because he knows that China is going to retaliate and do the same thing to American vehicles going into China. And China is a big, big market for Tesla, a big, big market for all kinds of American vehicles. And here's the thing, and this is just my opinion. I'm not telling you to buy, hold, or sell any stock. If China increases their tariff on EV vehicles to 100%, it's going to affect Tesla's bottom line. It could affect Ford's bottom line. It could affect Chevy's bottom line. I mean, and it could have a detrimental effect on our economy. I understand that Biden wants to slow down the EV production, but me personally, I don't think it's going to happen. I think the competition is great, and I believe that it brings down the cost for all the consumers. And the fact that BYD, and I mentioned this probably like 8 months ago, they want to build an EV factory in Mexico. If they build an EV factory in Mexico, then all those tariffs will mean absolutely nothing, because the NAFTA agreement allows anything that is fabricated or made in Mexico to cross that border with limited taxes because of the North American Free Trade Agreement. And that's really the bottom line. I think the tariffs are going to have a negative effect on the U.S. economy. I believe that will be probably good for retail investors long on AMC and GME, because when the economy goes bad, when the liquidity dries up, the bad actors, naked shorting AMC, GME, and other stocks, usually end up with liquidity issues. And then we got margin calls, forced liquidations, and hopefully AMC, GME, and other stocks start trading at their real market price, not a suppressed price because of the criminals. Anyway, please leave some comments. Tell me what you think. Do you think it's a good idea to put 100% tariff on Chinese EV vehicles when you know that China is going to do the same thing to all American vehicles? Anyway, have a great day. God bless, and I appreciate y'all on this journey with me.